Claude Code, straight out of the box, is already powerful, but without skills, you're leaving most of that power on the table. Skills are like cheat codes for Claude Code. They give it a specialized playbook for specific tasks. Better designs, smarter code reviews, structured planning, autonomous loops, and you install them in literally one command. In this video, I'm going to show you the best ones, where to find them, and exactly how to add them to Claude Code right now. I'm Mario. This is AI by Mario, where I break down AI in plain English so anyone can use it. Today, Claude Code Skills, the best ones in the ecosystem, where to find more, and how to install them. Let's go. Quick 30-second explanation of what skills are. You know how a brand new employee is smart, but on day one, they don't know how your team works. Skills are how you fix that with Claude Code instantly. A skill is an instruction file you add to Claude Code that gives it a specialized playbook for a specific task. Without a skill, Claude figures things out on its own. It does a good job, but with the right skill installed, Claude reads expert instructions automatically before it even starts. And the output is noticeably better. Here's the clever part. Claude only loads the skills instructions when the task actually matches. Your context stays clean. Nothing loads that isn't relevant. Two types of skills. Some give Claude abilities it literally doesn't have without them. Others just make Claude do things the right way instead of the average way. Both are valuable. Here are the best ones. Number one, the design skill. This fixes the biggest problem with AI generated websites and UIs. Without it, Claude defaults to the same look every time. Same boring font, purple gradient white background, grid of cards. Developers call it AI slop. With this skill, Claude commits to a bold visual direction before writing a single line of code. Brutalist, editorial, retrofuturistic, and actually executes it properly. Same prompt, completely different output. I'm going to show you this live later in the video. Number two, the code review skill. This deploys 4 specialized agents at the same time. One checks for logic bugs, one audits security, one evaluates test coverage, one checks architecture. Each finding gets a confidence score. Only the important issues make the final report. No noise, just what actually matters. Number three, the feature builder skill. When you use this one, Claude runs a 7-phase structured workflow before touching a single file. Requirements, code-based exploration, architecture, implementation, testing, review, documentation. It treats every feature like a senior engineer would. Complete, considered, tested. Number four, the auto loop skill, the laziest and most powerful skill on this list. You give Claude a task, a success condition, and a maximum number of tries. Then you walk away. It runs in a continuous loop, executes, reviews its own output, fixes what's broken, and tries again until it succeeds. Teams have migrated entire test suites overnight without touching anything. Number five, the Superpowers collection. This one isn't a single skill, it's a full structured development workflow. Brainstorm, design spec, implementation plan, parallel execution, test driven development, code review, then merge. It stops Claude from jumping straight to code before the problem is properly understood. The biggest community build skill collection in the ecosystem. Over 40,000 GitHub stars. Number six, the live docs skill. solves a genuinely annoying problem. Claude's training data has a cutoff. Ask it about newer versions of popular libraries, and it might give you code that's outdated or just plain wrong. This skill fetches live documentation from the actual source and injects it into Claude's context before it writes anything. Just add use context 7 to your prompt and it handles the rest. No more hallucinated library syntax. Number 7, the planning skill. The most starred community skill in the entire ecosystem. Claude writes a persistent planning file, works through tasks one at a time, checks them off as it goes and never loses track, even across multiple sessions, essential for any project that takes longer than one sitting. Where to find more skills? The official Anthropic GitHub. Everything Anthropic has built. Start here, skillsmp.com, a dedicated marketplace, browse by category. Awesome Cloud skills on GitHub, a curated community list. Someone already did the filtering. Skills dot live install data, see exactly what's actually popular right now. And inside Claude Code itself, type /plugin and go to the Discovery tab. The official marketplace is already registered right there. How to install 3 methods. Method 1, official marketplace. One command, you type /plugin, install, and the name of the skill. Done. Method number 2, third-party marketplace. 2 commands. You add the marketplace first, like adding an app store, then you install the skill from it. You only have to add the marketplace once. Method 3, direct from GitHub. One command pulls it straight from the repo, or you can manually copy the skill folder into your Claude skills directory. To see everything you have installed, just type skills inside Claude Code. All the exact install commands are in the description and pinned comment below. Now, let me show you what the skill actually changes. Same task, same Claude Code prompt. Build a landing page for a productivity app called Focus Flow. Modern design without the design skill. Same font everywhere. White background, blue gradient, grid of cards. It works, but you've seen it 1,000 times. You can tell immediately an AI built it. With a design skill, Claude commits to a visual direction first. Editorial minimalism, a strong typography hierarchy, and distinctive display font. Deliberate white space, one sharp accent color. The output looks like something a designer spent time on. Same model, same prompt, one skill installed. That's the whole difference. Your action plan. Install the 4 official skills right now: the design skill, the code review skill, the feature builder skill, and the auto loop skill. All the install commands are in the description and the pinned comment. Just copy and paste them. Then go to skillsmp.com and find one more skill that fits your specific workflow. Install it. Drop a comment below. Which skill are you installing first and why? I read every single comment. If this helped, share it with someone who uses Claude Code most. Developers still don't know skills exist. Subscribe for more. Every week, AI tools in plain English. No fluff, just what works. I'm Mario. This is AI by Mario. Go install some skills. See you in the next one.